Good morning, everyone. It's Stephen Whiteside here from the uptrend.com with your morning market outlook for Wednesday, May 20th, 2026. Well, in the pre-market this morning, we've got stock index futures trading above fair value, unwinding some of the damage that was done yesterday. We do have Nvidia earnings coming out this afternoon, and the market is certainly going to be sitting on the edge of their seats, waiting for those numbers to come out. We've got crude oil down, still trading above $100, while gold is down slightly and silver is up slightly on Wednesday morning. So no big moves there. We've got some winners from yesterday. It was the Canadian energy sector was the big winner on Tuesday, while the silver miners were the big losers. So the Canadian market still being pulled in two different directions, with energy stocks moving higher and the mining sector moving lower. So we're still trading in a range we've been in for a while now, so no change there. Looking at the VIX for the S&P 500 still in the channel, so it's certainly not trending higher. We're basically not trending at all at the moment. Still playing on the underside of the major moving averages and trying to break out above 20. But if you look on this chart, you'll see we probably need to break out above 2188 before anybody's going to really notice. And so if we stay below that level, the market should remain bullish. Now, we haven't talked about the bond market in a while, and that is because it really hasn't affected the stock market at all. We've got bond yields at multi-year highs, whether you're looking at the 5-year, the 10-year, or the 30-year. And of course, if bond yields are rising, that is on the back of the actual bonds falling in price. And so we've got the TLT certainly making new lows right now. The XBB broke through the March low on Tuesday. Some of the other bonds are still holding up, but they're still in a downtrend here, but certainly haven't taken out the March lows, whether you're looking at emerging market bonds or the junk bond market. They still have not broken down below those March lows. And if that happens, that would certainly be a major breaking point for the stock market. Now, we've been talking about some big round numbers over the past few months when starting off with gold trading above 5,000. Of course, that certainly a lot of traders thought that, well, if gold starts trading above 5,000, 10,000 can't be that far away. And so what happened after breaking through 5,000, we ran up two lines, stopped on a dime, came down. We got over 5,000 again, put in a lower high, just one line up. And now we've come down. We've been in a range for a while now, so nothing major has broken down. We'll be watching those March lows if gold gets back down to retest that level. But again, we're still trading below 5,000, and so that is still a big line in the sand for the price of gold. Right now, the pros are not in control, and we are on a short-term sell signal at the moment. Looking at the Dow, everybody's been talking about Dow 50,000, and once again, we ran up to that level and have started to pull back. No major breakdown so far. The pros look like they're about to give up control, and it looks like the Dow wants to be on a sell signal right now. Looking at the S&P 500, we got up to the 7,500 level, did not hit it, got just a few cents away from hitting it, and we've pulled back one line. So again, no major breakdown here. 7,500 is acting as resistance, but it certainly has not caused a major reversal in the market. So here we are with the pros well in control, no change there. We traded down to the lower channel line yesterday, but did not close below it. So we're still on a buy signal here for the S&P 500. Now, everybody's going to be focused on NVIDIA earnings, which come in after hours today, and NVIDIA is still at the top of the heap for the major chip manufacturers. Here's the top based on their market cap and coming into Wednesday's trading action. NVIDIA dipped into the channel for the past 2 days, but it traded and closed lower yesterday in the channel. It's trading higher in the pre-market this morning, so I don't think we're going to get down towards $215.27 on Wednesday. Taiwan Semiconductors on a sell signal. We've got Broadcom on a sell signal. Micron's on a sell signal. Still waiting for Advanced Micro Devices. Still on a buy signal. We're on a sell signal for AMSL. We're still waiting for Intel to close below $107.51 to give us a sell signal on Wednesday. Lam Research is on a sell signal. We've got Applied Materials on a sell signal. And then Texas Instruments seems to be holding up very well. and looks like the strongest stock in this sector right now, looking for a close on Wednesday below $289.77 to give us a new sell signal for Texas Instruments. Okay, folks, that is all for this morning's presentation. So far, it looks like the market wants to do a little buying on Wednesday morning. Enjoy the rest of your Wednesday. Next time you'll hear my voice is on Thursday morning.
Thanks for tuning in until the very end of today's stock market timing educational video. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to express your support by hitting the like button, leave a comment, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful updates. Remember, in the world of stocks, timing is crucial, and following the trend can be your greatest ally. If you would like more information on how we can help you better time the stock market, please visit theuptrend.com.